Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. 大家好，我是 Zoe. Today I want to talk about how to make interactive expressions in Mandarin. So put it simple, how to ask questions in Mandarin. There are 4 basic types of questions in Mandarin. The number 1, use question words. The number 2, general question. Number 3, affirmative-negative question. And last one, alternative question. Now let's start from how to use question words. So question words are words like when, who, what, how, etc. In Mandarin, the rule is very simple. Based on a regular sentence, we just replace the part we want to question with question words, but we don't change any orders of words in the sentence. Now, let me explain with examples. Jennifer 今晚去 downtown 看电影。Jennifer 今晚去 downtown 看电影。Okay, so in this sentence, we got a few things that we can question. The subject, Jennifer. The time, 今晚. The place, downtown. The event, 看电影. So, first one. Let's question the subject with who. So in Mandarin, who is 谁 or 谁. Okay, so this character has 2 pronunciations, 谁 or 谁. Either one is good. 谁, 谁. Okay, so we will say 谁今晚去 downtown 看电影. Answer, Jennifer. Okay, number 2, we're gonna question the time with when. So in Mandarin, when is 什么时候? 什么时候? 什么 means what. 时候 means time. So what time? We will get Jennifer 什么时候去 downtown 看电影? Answer, 今晚. The next one, we're going to question the place with where. So in Mandarin, where is 哪里? 哪里? So we get Jennifer 今晚去哪里看电影? Answer, downtown. The last one, we're going to question the event with do what. So in Mandarin, do what is 干什么? 干什么? 干 means do. 什么 means what. 干什么? Jennifer 今晚去 downtown 干什么? Jennifer 今晚去 downtown 干什么? Answer, 看电影. So you get it? The next one is general question. So general question is the simplest question in Mandarin. We just add modal particle ma to the end of a regular sentence, and then we will get a general question. So for examples, Tom 是医生. Tom 是医生. Tom 是医生吗? Tom 是医生吗? Is Tom a doctor? 他是 Jennifer 的爸爸. 他是 Jennifer 的爸爸. He is Jennifer's dad. 他是 Jennifer 的爸爸吗? 他是 Jennifer 的爸爸吗? Is he Jennifer's dad? It's super simple. Okay, so the next one, affirmative-negative question. So affirmative-negative question, we have a formula. You can follow the specific structure. Verb+bù or méi+verb. Adjective+bù, adjective. It's the same verb, verb+bù, méi+verb. 去 means go. So we can say 去不去 or 去没去. 去不去, 去没去. The difference between using 不 and using méi is that when we use 不, it's for future tense. When we use méi, it's past tense. Tomorrow there is a party. 你去不去? 你去不去? it means you're going or not going. So Jennifer had a party yesterday. 你去没去? It means did you go or not? 不 is for future tense. May is for past tense. When we negate adjective, we only use 不 to negate adjective. So you can review my video about how to make negative expressions in Mandarin. So adjective only go with 不. Then we get the structure is adjective, 不, adjective. So for examples, 美 means beautiful. 美不美 means beautiful or not. So I just bought this painting. 美不美? So I'm asking, I just bought this painting. How do you think? It's beautiful or not? Or 好 means good. 好不好? It means good or no good. So I will pick you up at 5 o'clock this afternoon. 好不好? I will pick you up at 5 o'clock. Is good or no good? So some Chinese verbs and adjectives actually are 2 characters. Like 告诉. 告诉 means tell. 确定. 确定 means confirm. 漂亮. 漂亮. It means pretty. For oral speaking, we usually put 不 or may behind the first character. Then we will get 告不告诉. 告不告诉. 确不确定. 漂不漂亮. Of course, you can repeat the whole word like 告诉不告诉 or 确定不确定. 漂亮不漂亮. For oral speaking, we usually just repeat the first character, which is good enough. So last one, alternative question. Alternative question means that there are options, A or B. In Mandarin, or is 还是. 还是. The structure will be A 还是 B. A and B, they have to be similar words. 你明天去上海还是北京? 明天 means tomorrow. So 你明天去上海还是北京? 你喝可乐还是咖啡? 可乐 means Coke. 咖啡 means coffee. So 你喝可乐还是咖啡? Of course, we can combine different types of questions. Let's say, 你明天去哪里? 你明天去哪里? Like 哪里 means where, right? So, where are you going tomorrow? 你明天去哪里? 北京还是上海? 你喝什么? What do you drink? 你喝什么? 可乐还是咖啡? 你喝什么? 可乐还是咖啡? Alright, so that's everything about interactive expressions. So if you have any questions, welcome to leave your comments. I actually really hope you guys can leave me some comments telling me that what do you want to learn, what you're confused about. I really hope that I can get some feedback from you guys. Anyway, so thank you for watching and see you next time. 再见。